You can create your one-page websites on many ways. You can create it through Wix or ClickFunnels or Instapages. If you prefer a WordPress, you need a domain and hosting. In this video, we will see about cheap and most efficient hosting for one-page websites. I will suggest you some hosting companies to create your one-page websites. These companies are very good customer support and a fast and reliable service they are offering to their customers. Before we starting a one-page website, you must know about the domain name and the hosting packages. Domain name is your identity, it's like your name. Every website have a name, right? That's a name is a domain name. You can register your domain name on any registers like godaddy.com or name.com. There are a lot of domain registers available, so you can use. I suggest you to use godaddy.com is the best one. Then after that, come to the next point. You need a hosting account where your website's files are stored on there in the web server. That's a hosting account. Building our own website hosting server is a very cost effective and that's not suitable for all people. That's why we are purchasing a rental hosting space from the hosting companies. Generally, these hosting companies are providing three types of hosting packages to the customers. The first one is a shared hosting and VPS hosting and cloud hosting. Shared hosting is shared with many people websites in a single space. VPS hosting is a virtual private server. That virtual private server space is allocated for a particular account only. That's a virtual private server. Then the next one is a cloud hosting. Cloud hosting and CDNs are similarly, they are offering a similar service. Like CDN is a content delivery network and cloud hosting is they are located in a multiple server locations in worldwide. Compared to shared hosting, VPS hosting is little bit costlier. If you are a starter and beginner, I suggest you to start with the shared hosting. After increasing almost your visitors, then you can upgrade your package to the next one like VPS hosting. In VPS hosting, we can get a better speed and lot of security issues. In shared hosting, that's very less compared to VPS hosting. You can use the CDN along with the shared hosting also. Once you decided which hosting package is suitable, then after that you check these points. The next points. Particular a web hosting company, how much disk space they are providing and what are the bandwidth they are allocated for your account. How many email accounts they are allocating to your account. And how many websites are limited to your account. Then what about the customer support? These 5 important questions you need to consider before choosing a web hosting company. A disk space is a total space allocated to your web account. You can upload anything, images, videos, text content, lot of pages. So you can upload anything in your website, but there is a limit on there. That's defined by the disk space. Some best companies are providing you good disk space that's enough to run your one-page website without any problems. But some companies gives you a very less disk space. So after you created your website, you will get some issues on the real time. If you want to avoid those issues, first you decide and first you check these points in your web hosting company. And after that you choose your preferred hosting company. Bandwidth is an important factor. If you are a new website owner, this is not affecting you because if you are a starter, so your website is not getting thousands of visitors in a single day. It will gradually increase, right? So the first day maybe just single digits, and after a month it will be comes to the hundreds and thousands. After that it will be increased little bit and slowly. Some low cost providing web hosting companies have the low bandwidth. It affects your visitors count. What will happen in the starting few months? It will be go run smoothly because your visitors counts are very less. After some months, your visitors count will be dramatically increased. If you have 50,000, 1 lakh visitors or 10,000 visitors, you will get a error. It's a bandwidth limit exceed error. That's the internal server error. If you avoid that bandwidth limit, you need to choose a proper web hosting company on that. That's why the bandwidth is very important. After that, how many email accounts they are providing? You just consider, okay, the 5 email accounts is enough for me, or just 2 email accounts is enough for me, or I need more hundreds of email accounts. That email accounts also you need to consider before choosing a web hosting company. And the next point is the websites. Some web hosting companies are giving you very low cost, and they are limited to the only 1 or 2 websites only you can host on their web space. So first you check this, how many websites I can store in my web space. The final one, you think about the customer support. Customer support is a very important because you are running your online store or online product on someone's web space. If you have any problems rises, you need a help of that particular website company, website hosting company. For all these points I carefully analyzed, and that's why I suggested these 2 companies, SiteGround.com and UKHost.com. It's a very best for you in all services and the customer support. They are giving a very legitimate service and very top-notch servers on there. I suggest you to use these 2 companies. In the description I give the links. If you want, you can just check out and you can start with the lower package, and after that you can upgrade it. If you have any questions, you just post in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible time. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you on next video. Bye.